Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to find the value of this one. The first thing I need to add about 8 multiplied by b plus c. Later that we need to minus about this one. Now we can do similar for the second one. And the last one. So this one divide by this one, so we have negative 8. Now we can do similar for this one and this one. Next, I will put negative a, negative b, negative c go to the right. Next, we can do about factorization by 8. This one by b. This one by c. Next, we can do another factorization by a plus b plus c. So we have like this. Next, we know that this one equals to number 1 and you got number 0. That is the end. Thank you for watching.